Hi everybody, welcome back to another NBA Top Shot video. Today I'm just gonna go through a quick collection update here, and then we have a pack to open, the 2021 NBA Playoffs pack. So with that, I will just go through what I've done recently here. On the challenges here, I managed to complete in 2021 NBA Playoffs Challenge 7 for Ben Simmons, and I ended up with a serial number of 1499 over here. So in terms of moments here, I now have 165 moments. My collector score is sitting at 2640. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to qualify for the legendary packs here. I figured by buying up all the cheapest moments here, I could get there, but then it would cost me over $1,000 to do it. And they also at that time they decided to put a 15-minute limit onto purchases because the marketplace was so busy due to certain events, and I decided that it wasn't worth chasing after, so I didn't go for it. So with that said here, this is the pack that we have to open. It is the 2021 NBA playoff packs. And let's open the pack and see what we get. Open. So the first moment here, number 5568, Killian Hayes. That's a rookie. Second card, Clint Capella, serial number 3551 out of 12,000. Next card, Kenyon Martin, 35,000 out of 40. I'm pretty sure that's a rookie. I just spot his throwdown card here for his Top Shot debut. Fourth card, Sterling Brown out of 12,000. Top Shot debut. And finally, Will Barton out of 11,500 NBA playoffs. So let's see how much they are going for on the marketplace. So starting with Will Barton, it's going for about 29 bucks, which pays for my pack. Next card, $3. Okay, I might want to buy one with $3 and see if I can get it. Nope. Select a different serial number. Let's see if I can beat him to the punch. I probably can't. No, where it was sold. Let's go to the next card. Sterling Brown. $5. And a Clint Capella. Wow, 24 bucks for a Clint Capella. Interesting. Wonder if he's needed for anything. NBA Playoff Series 2. So I'll keep that for now. And finally, the Kenyon Martin Jr., $4. players. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next Top Shot video.